Now that's weird, but let's talk about a dinosaur where scientists didn't get it right the first time. When they first found Adipod dentatus, they thought its mouth was split vertically down the middle. They thought it had 2 rows of teeth meeting in a zipper. Nobody had ever seen that before. The fossils were crushed and broken and hard to piece together, so they did their best and published this reconstruction showing a marine reptile with a zipper mouth, and everyone looked at it and thought they can't be right. Then in 2016, they found better specimens, more complete skulls, and it turned out the mouth wasn't split at all. It was just smashed weird in the first fossils. What it actually had was a hammerhead-shaped snout. It was wide and flat across the front, with 2 sets of teeth with completely different jobs. The front edge of the hammerhead had chiseled teeth. They were flat and good for scraping. Adipod dentatus would swim up to a rock covered in algae and press its face against it. Then it would scrape the chisel teeth along the surface and strip all of the plants off, just mowing that algae right off the rock. After it scraped up a mouthful of plant mush and water, it would close its jaws. Then, the second set of teeth were these long needles lining the sides of its mouth. Water would filter out through the gaps, and the needle teeth would trap all the algae inside. It was a built-in strainer. This thing was 3 meters long and lived 244 million years ago. It is actually the first known plant-eating marine reptile, and we only figured that out 8 years ago because the first fossils looked like a zipper monster. The name means unique arrangement of teeth, which is pretty damn accurate, but they named it that when they thought it had a zipper mouth, so the name's right for the wrong reasons, even though it still has quite a strange mouth setup.